Liquify effect in Adobe Photoshop. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Once your image is open in Photoshop, go to the top menu and click on Select. Then choose Subject. Photoshop will automatically detect the main subject in the image for you. After the subject is selected, add a layer mask to isolate it from the background. Then press Ctrl and J on your keyboard to duplicate the image layer so you have a separate copy to work with. Next, move down to the adjustment layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel and choose Gradient Map. From the gradient options, select the black and white gradient. After that, change the gradient to black so the image takes on a darker appearance. Now hold Alt on your keyboard and click between the layers to create a clipping mask. This makes sure the adjustment only affects the layer directly below it. After that, hold Shift and select both layers together. Right-click on them and choose Convert to Smart Object. This allows you to apply filters in a non-destructive way, while keeping the layers combined. Now go to the top menu, click Filter, and choose Liquify. Inside the Liquify window, you can adjust the brush size from the panel and begin shaping the image however you want. Slowly push and distort different areas until you get the effect you are looking for. Continue making changes until the image feels balanced and stylized. Once you are happy with the result, click OK. Back in the Layers panel, hold Shift and select both layers again. Click on the group icon to place them into a folder, then rename the folder so your project stays organized. Now let's improve the overall color styling. Go back to the adjustment layer icon and choose Hue Saturation. Increase the saturation value to 100%. After that, change the blending mode to Color Burn and lower the fill value to 7%. This creates a stronger color effect while keeping the image controlled. Hold Alt again and click between the layers to create another clipping mask, so the adjustment only affects the grouped image. Next, create another Hue Saturation adjustment layer. Set the saturation to 100% again. Click the clipping mask icon, so it applies to the same layer group. Then change the blending mode to Color Dodge and reduce the fill value to 4%. At this point, the Liquify effect is complete, and the image should now look much more stylized, with the distorted effect and enhanced colors applied together. If needed, you can continue making small adjustments to the Liquify settings or the layer settings until everything looks the way you want. And that's it for this tutorial. Hope you liked it.